Alright, I know this title seems a little crazy, but here are all the parts I'm referring to. Got some old suspension for the BMW, but we're going to get to all that in a second. First, I'm going to go ahead and start the cars up and pull them out. Always something going on around here. Start with the Z, because it's uncovered and unlocked. Haven't had the BMW featured on the channel in a while, so this will be exciting to get it uncovered today. Nice. Die! My ankles! I didn't even know this was still there. I didn't see it. Alright, I'm getting in. You guys are going out back. Alright, cars are sitting outside, idling away, polluting the environment. This shit's heavy as f***. Let me get this out of the way first. I actually kind of forgot how many parts I had in here, so we're going to take all these out and move them to the other side of the garage. Right, so the rest of this stuff is BMW parts that I'm keeping. Got spark plugs down here. FCP Euro, shout out to you guys. Give me a sponsorship one day, please. Maybe, I don't know. And then over here we got the oh so beautiful VRSF 5-inch intercooler. Had this sitting around for about the last year or so, but we'll get that put on the car soon. We just gotta tackle the check engine light, which is kind of why we're unpacking all this stuff today. And now getting to the title of this video, this is actually all the stuff we're going to be using to fix the BMW, believe it or not. And what is even in the boxes, are you asking? This is my gktech angle kit that I have for my 350Z. I've had this for over a year and a half. I just never got around to installing it. I think I've only opened it once, so right here with you guys, we're going to see some of these beautiful parts for the first time in over a year. Very nice. A bunch of stickers and stuff. Like, this stuff is brand new. Have not used it. So much stuff in here. Alright, so here's everything opened up. And earlier you saw I got my OEM suspension for the 335xi, and I pulled out the OEM airbox as well. So right now you might be asking yourself how these 350Z parts are going to fix my BMW, and that's very simple. We're going to take this hunk of CNC'd iron right here and we're going to turn it into cash on the Facebook Marketplace. That is right, same with these BMW parts. Everything here is going to be listed for sale. I'd rather not have to ship any of these parts out, but I've had the angle kit listed on Facebook for a while with no pictures, and the traction's been very, very slow on it. So yeah, just feel free to reach out to me if you're interested in any of these parts. And now that you guys probably hate me for the title, we're going to take some pictures of this stuff to get it listed. Got all of our photos right here. Look at this thumbnail setup right now. This is prime. This is absolutely mauling at my skin. Like, it's like 40 or 50 degrees out. I can't really drive either of my cars because they're not insured. The weather's just been too iffy to keep insurance on them. I'm hoping here within the next couple weeks we'll be driving the cars again. So if you're new here and you're wondering why I'm selling my angle kit to fix my BMW, short answer is cars are expensive. And in my mind, it doesn't make sense to put parts I don't need on a car that doesn't need them. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna take the cash and run, and we're gonna go ahead and get all these lights fixed up on the BMW, which, quick little trick here, if your battery's dead, and you get the brake light and the traction light. Oh, turn your wheel left to right, and they'll go away just like that. Bada boom, bada bang. You didn't know you were gonna learn anything today, did ya? Whatever. Well, I clearly need to put air in my tires, but besides that, we got this check engine light, which I have a couple ideas of what that could be to fix that. So once I get the money from selling the angle kit, we'll be able to start working on this BMW again. And on top of that, we still have the memory steering, which I've yet to look into, but seems to be getting warmer out, so maybe we'll take a little driveway inspection here soon. Into the Z. What's up with this guy? This guy's got a bunch of lights. This one always has a bunch of lights, but we knew that. The Z mostly just needs TLC work, which some of that's gonna cost me money. So at the end of the day, again, the angle kit going on the marketplace makes the most sense. So I'll be able to get the Z cleaned up a little bit, and then on top of that, we'll get the BMW running reliably. I'm hoping I'm right with this, but I think there's more content to be made out of 2 cars versus having one that's just gonna sit there all the time. So yeah, again, if you guys are interested in any of the stuff that I'm listing for sale, please message me on Instagram. Maybe you don't need these parts yourself, but you know somebody who's looking for them. And if you do, feel free to send them my way. And don't worry guys, this video is not me running out of ideas. I have plenty of ideas. I'm just hesitant to put too much more money into this channel because owning 2 cars on its own is expensive enough. So my only logical thought was to sell some old parts and new parts that I'm not gonna use right now to get the cash to be able to create more and better content for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Again, I'm sorry for the title, it was a little clickbaity, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm a small YouTuber trying to grow out here. So make sure you check out these other videos, and I'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, so they get out my way. Yeah, fast in my lane. Yeah, I'm doing my thing. Feeling like I ain't the boss. Feeling like I ain't the